Extra marshmallows, a splash of vanilla, and a pinch of salt make these the best Rice Krispies treats you've ever had. To start, get yourself out an 8x8 baking pan. Be sure to spray it. Even if you line it with parchment paper, spray the parchment paper. These are extra gooey. Go ahead and set that pan aside and get yourself out a large mixing bowl. We're going to start with some butter, 2.5 tablespoons. My butter is cold. I'm going to pop mine in the microwave for just about 10 seconds, and then we're going to add our marshmallows. 5 cups of mini marshmallows, which is equal to about a 10-ounce bag. You can absolutely do this on the stovetop. If you're doing it in the microwave, make sure you have a microwave-safe bowl. Microwave in 30-second increments, giving everything a stir in between. And we are going to melt everything down into a smooth marshmallow fluff. For me, this took about a total of 1 minute and 15 seconds. If you still have little marshmallow lumps, pop it back in for about 10 or 15 more seconds. Once your marshmallow mixture is nice and smooth, it is time to add a splash of vanilla and some salt. I measured my vanilla with my heart. You can use about 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. For the salt, I used coarse kosher salt, so I used 1/4 teaspoon. If you are using fine salt or table salt, I recommend using just 1/8 of a teaspoon. And then finally, we need to add our crispy rice cereal. We need 3 cups. Work as quickly as you can. It will be easier to mix this together when your marshmallow fluff is still nice and warm. Fold everything together. Make sure all of your Rice Krispie cereal is mixed in with the marshmallow fluff. We want everything coated and one cohesive mixture. Bring back that pan we have prepared, and as best you can, scoop the cereal mixture in. It will be very sticky, so a wooden spoon or a firm spatula would be best. And then I recommend getting a piece of parchment paper, spray that, or put some cooking oil on that, or spray your hand, or put some oil on your hand to press our Rice Krispies treats into the pan. Make sure you press them right out to the edges and do your best to get them into one even layer so that every piece is the same thickness. And then we're going to set these aside and let them cool down for a little bit. If you were to try and cut them right now, they would be super, super gooey and hard to scoop out. But once you've waited long enough, or as long as you can wait, go ahead and cut your Rice Krispies treats into whatever size you desire. I like a little bit bigger squares. And enjoy and watch this marshmallow pull. I love a gooey Rice Krispie treat, and these hit the spot. I will leave all of the ingredients in the instructions down below in the description for you guys. Give this video a thumbs up if you try this recipe. Be sure to subscribe for more. And if you're looking for another delicious no-bake sweet treat, go ahead and click or tap here on screen, and I will see you guys there.